All right, all. A completely random video because my microwave went out. So I needed to buy a new one. And when I went online, I found nothing about reviews about this Master Chef brand. Just proof. I bought this today. See that? February 15th, 2019. Yeah, Canadian Tire. You want to see more specs? These are the specs. You guys can pause and read it yourself, what you like. And I will show you what the search results give you when you try and find this damn microwave. Alright, here we go. See, all I did was type into Google Master Chef microwaves, and I just get a bunch of stuff from Canadian Tire, but there's no reviews except these guys. This Home Depot 0.7, but I bought the 1.1 cubic feet. But anyhow, you guys can see this site there. I'm not even sure if this is a real site. Yeah, it probably is. But check this out. It's 2019. This was the most recent review a year ago. And then 2017. When I was trying to look up microwaves, shit changes every like 2 years. So I can't even really rely on these reviews. And that's why I'm doing this now. Then you go scroll further down the first page and it's already going to Magic Chef, and that's it. I guess I should clarify that I'm not doing an actual like full-on techie nerd microwave review. I'm not like that. I just wanted to post, bring some kind of attention, I guess. Some kind of review attention to this Master Chef microwave brand, which I have never heard of. And as you can see from the reviews, there doesn't seem to be much information on. I'm also doing this because I have not had to buy a microwave for myself ever. This is my first purchase. That being said, I was trying to look up microwaves, and apparently the microwaves these days don't last that long, at least in this price range. Wasn't trying to buy anything over $200. So yeah, this cost me $125 after tax. Yeah, a lot of the reviews I have been reading across multiple brands, they're not that great, you know. They fail after 1 or 2 years, and you know, as someone, I use my microwave every single day. So, you know, Master Chef, if someone, a representative, is out there, hey, you're getting a free review, I am going to use it. This video is out there. And should this thing fail in 2 years, this is the record. And I will show the fail, you know, if I can't put anything in there. That is what the video will be. So for now, that's what's up. Oops, sorry. So I don't have a complex video editing thing, so you have to deal with my ramblings. What I should have said is that I'm not saying all the microwaves are failing after 1 or 2 years, but a substantial enough portion gives you concern as to whether or not these microwaves are reliable, And there's enough of bad reviews that make you question the quality, and that these people are not just getting sour lemons, nor are they people who are forever whiners. Like a review of any product, I would always expect there's always going to be those people. There's always going to be some negative review, because there's always going to be some people who just they will always complain about that fucking shit. So yeah, I should say it's not all they fail at 1 or 2 years. It's just there's a large enough portion where it's like, fuck, am I gonna have to buy another one in a couple years? Because growing up, our microwaves, they fucking lasted. Okay, they lasted for years, 5, 10 years. So to live through that and then hear about microwaves lasting only 2 years ish, that would totally suck. I should give you some information on my stuff. I'm not going to edit this, just going to roll with this, okay? So why did I choose this microwave? Because it's fucking old school looking. And really I would wanted a white microwave. That's what I like. I'll open the box eventually. Usage. I guess I'll describe to you guys my usage so that you know what to expect if there's a failure. So 90% of my usage comes from warming up my oatmeal for breakfast every single morning, heating up water because I don't have a kettle. Yep. And then the rest of the percentage is like my random leftovers. Yeah, but most of the time it's oatmeal and water. So, and that's the usage it's gonna get. I don't abuse the shit out of this. I don't really cook in these ovens, so I'm not having them on for excessive amounts of time. 1-2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. That's generally what I use the microwave for. I thought I would show you guys, this is the model that is going to be replaced. Okay, there's your hardcore model shit if you want to look it up. As you can see, I'm not really abusive to the microwaves. This is kind of how I keep them. They're quite clean, relatively. Not spick and span clean, but yeah, so that's the microwave that's being replaced. It literally just failed. It literally just failed yesterday. There were 2 warnings, that's it. The first warning, it didn't beep after. And then the second warning was it turned on for a few seconds or whatever, and then it turned itself off. And then from then on, I tried successive times to warm things up, and that's it. I am not going to go shop around to get it repaired, because I know that could probably just cost me as much as buying this microwave. So I'm not even bother with it. I need my microwave every day, so I don't have that kind of time to fuck around. As I said, I'm reliant on it. I eat oatmeal every day for breakfast. Yep. Alright guys, there it is, open. Good packaging. And this is it. The Master Chef microwave. That's what it looks like. show you all around. If you guys need to read this shit, just pause it. Now let's take a look inside. Oh, it's just a pull handle. Haha, nice. Oh, there's shit inside. I didn't realize I have to remove it. Oh, the turntable. Alright. Woohoo! And this is it. Inside. Pretty good size. So that's the microwave. Alright, that's the first operation. My morning, oh, you can't even see through it. My morning oatmeal. It's pretty quiet, I think. I don't know how that comes across in film, but Easy Express cook.